My single favorite product to install and recommend on a customer's home is a whole home humidifier. And I want to tell you a little bit more about it. Hi, I'm Brent with Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing. The humidifier is my favorite product simply because of the benefits I've seen in my own life with it. The whole home humidifier attaches right to your furnace ductwork. It has warm water running across a warm panel, and then your warm air right off the top of the furnace blows across that panel, evaporating water into your air. The ideal humidity level is right around 35%. That's controlled with a humidistat, or if you have a smart thermostat that connects to your humidifier, you control it right on your smart device or thermostat. The reason we prefer keeping the humidity at 35% is simply because the outdoor temperature gets so low that water tends to condense on your windows and walls at any higher humidity levels. That can lead to mold or damage to your window seals. Maintaining these higher humidity levels can help with snoring, bloody noses, dry and itchy skin, and the flu virus thrives at lower humidity levels. So having a whole home humidifier can actually keep you healthier as well. If a humidifier sounds right for you, we'd love to have that conversation. Give us a call at Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing.